Oh, my neighbor and his motorcycle. Every time I film, without fail. He decides it's time to ride his motorcycle. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be playing with the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, but I am not the only one who is doing this. Yes, this is a collab video. I am collaborating with JustCallMeJo and Laurie Latimer. Both of their channels and their videos will be listed in the description box below. I highly recommend going to check these two out. Jo does some really awesome car vlogs. I love kind of hearing her chat and kind of talk. She also plays with makeup. I know Laurie plays with makeup. She also gets subscription boxes and things, and she tests them out and she chats. They're just both very awesome women, and I really enjoy being friends with them here on YouTube. So please go check them out. I would love to see them get some extra love and things from some of my subscribers. So if you could please go check them out, that would be amazing. Well, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. I am excited to see what both of them come up with. As you guys know, this palette is definitely more on the neutral side, and part of me just wants to go over to this corner here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a fairly neutral look, something a little more outside of my comfort zone, just because the last neutral look I did, well, was it really neutral? No, but I was playing with neutral colors. But I think I'm gonna give it another go on a neutral look, and we'll just see what I can come up with. So wish me luck, and we're gonna get started. The first shade I'm going to go into is Bestie right here. I'm going to use this as a transition shade. I'm going to be taking this on, this is a Crown Brushes, this is their C441 Pro Blending Crease Brush. And I'm just going to run this over the top. I also, just so you guys know, I set my eyeshadow palette with the shade, I set my eyeshadow palette. Oh, words. I set my eyeshadow primer with the shade Thanks a Latte in this palette. I also used this concealer from Kokie Professionals as my eyeshadow primer because that's what I prefer. So today has been good already. I've been out of work for a little over 2 weeks now, and so I kind of decided that while things have been a little tricky to take on I've decided to take on a different client, and after today's interview I feel really good about it. I'm kind of excited. I haven't really been super excited for a while, and now I'm excited. Then I'm gonna go in with Are You Kitten Me, and we're just gonna deepen that crease up a bit. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. eye blending brush, but things are looking up, and I'm just gonna remain positive and just do what I can, and I'm excited. I interviewed today, and it feels right, and I haven't had a feeling about a job like that in a while, that this just feels right. It doesn't mean that the job's gonna be easy. I'm still working with an individual on the autism spectrum, and I'm feeling good about it. We're gonna give it a go and make sure that I am a good fit for what this specific family and this specific individual needs, and I'm excited. I walked in, and the first thing this individual said to me was, "Are you a new friend?" And I'm just like, yes, I'm a new friend. I love it. I'm very excited. I know I keep saying I'm very excited, but I am. I needed some positivity like this, and it's not going to be a ton of hours right off the bat, but I'm fine with that, because that means I'll have time to do videos. I'll have the time for the things that I want outside of that, but I'll also kind of have a work outlet, if you will. Then I'm going to go into the shade Brownie Points, and I'm going to put this on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm going to take this on an e.l.f. eye blending brush. I have two of these. Proof that I have two. But it's just, I don't know. Things right now are a little bittersweet for me. I'll put it that way. But that's kind of how life goes sometimes. And you kind of have to roll with the punches and just see how things go, what happens. And you can only control what you can control. And that has been, this time of year for me, with everything that's going on, has been a huge reminder of that. That, and this is also an opportunity for me to expand my skills in this specific line of work. And that's how I kind of need to look at it. If you guys don't know what I do, I work with individuals on the autism spectrum. I'm what's called a habilitation provider. We work on goals, running different goals for the kiddo to help them kind of learn like life skills and things that they might not anywhere else, and just kind of really help aid in their development. And I absolutely love what I do. It's hard, but it is so rewarding, and it's so amazing when you connect with a kiddo and you can really kind of get them to learn and grow. And it's just, I love it. I love it so much. And yeah, over this like past almost 3 weeks, I was kind of, I was having a hard time with just kind of figuring things out. I was trying to go and do different things, but nothing felt right. Like, this feels right, and it feels good, and it feels like I'm going to be a good fit for not only the individual but the family, and it feels like it's going to be a good fit for me on the opposite end of that. And sometimes you just need that. I need that. I need some consistency in my own life. By the way, I didn't say what I was doing. I'm putting on the NYX Glitter Primer because I have found with these shimmers that it works better to have kind of like, to have a sticky base. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with this brush, and we're going to go into the shade Cool Beans right here. Fun story. I used to say that all the time. That was my catchphrase. I had a catchphrase. Cool Beans. Also, something is up with the chair I'm using. It's driving me crazy. But yes, I used to say Cool Beans all the way through high school. Like, that was my text response to things. Cool Beans. Also would say it out loud. And then I would say, yeah, I would say it out loud too, like all the time. That was my thing. Cool Beans. I still say it occasionally, but that just made me think of that. So how are all of you doing? What's new? Anything cool going on in your lives? Anything exciting getting ready to happen for you guys? I'm just excited because I start working with this other kiddo on Monday. And that just means that I will have some consistency in my own life, because I kind of need it. Wow, this is a very different kind of eye look for me. I kind of like it though. It's kind of nice to try something new and kind of do something outside of my comfort zone, especially since these last few weeks have been color, 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 color. And I know not everyone gravitates towards color like I do, but yeah. Well, I'm going to pop off a camera really quick and I'm just going to do my eyeliner. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme shine eyeliner. That is quite the name. And this is in Brown Perfection. And then I'm also going to use the Smashbox Full Exposure mascara here to do the rest of, or to, for my mascara. And I'm probably also going to do my base makeup and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I just did my base. I think today I'm going to do my contour, my blush, my highlight, everything else on camera with you guys. So really quick, I'm going to go ahead and contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to use the shade Fawn right here. I don't always contour, I just kind of feel like contouring today. So yeah, and I used a few new like face products. So I'm kind of curious like how all this is gonna blend. I'm also just gonna let you guys know that with my new job and everything, I am so excited that I still have a ton of time to like film and to do things, because that was something I was worried about, because I really enjoy kind of filming and chatting with you guys and being present and all of that. And so basically I'm working part-time to continue doing stuff here on YouTube. So I'm going to go into the Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush that we got in a BoxyCharm. So this is a loose blush. This can be very, very pigmented. Took too much. This is about how much I take. I don't know. It's not a lot at all. Then I lightly dip my blush brush in and I tap that off, because this is a very pigmented blush. I mean, I'm also somebody who will put way too much blush on. I don't know who or what she's barking at. Peaches! Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in Blossom Glow. I'm just going to take my highlighting brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to take that same NYX liner that I used on my top lashes. I'm going to use this on the lower lash. Then I'm going to take the shade Brownie Points right here, that same shade that we used on the outer V of, the same shade I used on the outer V of my eye. And I'm just going to kind of use an angled eyeliner brush and run this just along the edge. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the shade Poof right here, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. And I'm going to be taking that on a pencil brush. I'm just going to place this in the inner corner. Just give it a little bit of brightness. And then taking that just on the edge of my brow. Now for my lips, I'm going to go into the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquefied Lipstick in Whip. Well, there you are. Here's the final look. You'll have to let me know down below what you think. I personally really do kind of like this kind of neutral look. It's nice to see something a little softer and a little different on me. I still love color and I'm still probably going to rock color quite a bit, but every now and then a neutral look is good to do. Well, if you guys will, go check out Laurie and Jo. Their channels will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and leave a comment down below if you'd like to chat with me. Well, thank you again and bye!